Hello and welcome to my SSI Fellowship application. I am Sara and I am a researcher with a molecular biology background who turned into a self-taught bioinformatician. I am also a patient advocate trying to improve inclusive research design and an obsessive collaborator, which is very helpful when you try to get people to agree on research guidelines. I have found my way to communities like OLS and the Turing Way, who were the emergence of my open science interests. And then the rest is history. I found myself leaning towards communities with shared values and where I could work on things that I deeply care about with friends to learn from. This has been the key for all my current work. I really want to align communities of practice through all my work. Currently, I lead community building positions in organizations like OLS, the Turing Way, Data Science for Health Equity, and RCM Cooperative. I am also developing myself into an experienced trainer and starting my path into organizations like the Carpentries and the RERC Training and Teaching Special Interest Group. There is indeed an increased interest in community work. More and more technical networks and communities are funded and created every day within the RSC space. But there is not much guidance on growing and supporting these communities and the people around them. And this is where my fellowship plans aim to improve the current landscape. First, my plan is to build best practices in community building, empowering those doing community work. I will first start carrying out cross-analysis of community management strategies in different communities by talking to leadership, collecting community data, and running a small service in the communities where I can already leverage my role. Then, I will reference to existing frameworks, highlighting what works and what doesn't in each context. The next part of the plan is to validate and seek feedback from the actors involved. I will write the results of my analysis in the form of a case study or a white paper to then seek feedback from other actors. I will do this by organizing workshops that provide a safe space to give and receive feedback and empower a space of co-creation. I have also planned to integrate this output within the SSI Community Handbook. I want to use my position at RCM Cooperative to disseminate best practices and create a community of practice to support community management work within the RSC space. The SSI is the best place to support this vision, since I am already working with several SSI fellows, and I think the SSI Fellow Network could have a major impact on this project. Of course, this project would have a direct impact in the community as well. I will use the fellowship funds to support workshops to talk to involve all actors, mostly people in the RSC workspace who are already doing community tasks, but could benefit from guidance and further community support. I will also attend other events to showcase the progress and keep asking for feedback. I am planning to invest on my own development by attending one or more workshops to help me improve my facilitation skills. Due to the highly interactive nature of this work, I want to keep some backup funds to adapt flexibly to the feedback and the needs that I identify throughout the process. So why me? I am a natural connector. I want to leverage my experience in the mentioned communities, but also in others and other contexts that I've been working in. Moreover, all communities mentioned are strongly supportive of this project and the practical focus that I hold. I should also note that there is a strong collaboration angle, and this project is highly complementary of the projects from two other candidates in this call, where if all successful, we will definitely deliver more than the sum of us, and will also benefit from access to other different communities. All in all, I am very excited to run this project within the SSI community. As it has stemmed from my conversations with Oscar, I really believe that better communities do result in better research. And the best way to find solutions is by connecting people. Thanks a lot for your time.